Okay, Peter, you have the lead and control.
Channel 8.
Channel 8. The genius, sit up straight for this one. It's the genius channel. For 5 points, match the following word with a word that sounds exactly the same. Here's an example. Whale, whale. Car, car. Ready? Cummerbund. Denise for 5.
Cummerbund.
Cummerbund, right.
All right. Am I good or am I good?
All right, Denise, you have control. Choose a channel.
Let's see. I'll go for Channel 4.
Channel 4. Ranger Bob. Oh, yes, it's another visit from remote control or Duke of Ecology.
Hello, everybody. I'm Ranger Bob. You know, when you're swimming in a pond or a lake, don't you hate running across that squiggly light that just squiggles through your toes? Well, I do. That's why I'm marketing this special electronic eliminator. It sends a charge in the water and kills everything. And for your 10-point contribution, I'm giving you one of the animals it destroyed.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Thanks a lot.
Sorry about it. Hey, Ranger Bob, I've got a question. If you're in the woods and you run over a deer, what's the proper procedure?
Hook it to the back of your car.
Okay, thanks, Ranger Bob. Ranger Bob, Denise, you are minus 5 points. Sorry about that, but you still have control. You have a fish. Choose a channel.
Let's see.
End of round 1. Ooh, things are still hot and heavy. Peter's in the lead with 40 points. Doug's in second place with 10 points. Denise, minus 5. Don't worry. You'll make a comeback. I know it. In a second, we're going to come back and play round 2, and the person that survives till the end of that can win all this.
From Polygram Music Video, 5 fabulous long-form video compilations by Bon Jovi, Kiss, Cinderella, Deep Purple, and Swing Out Sister. You'll watch the stars come alive on Polygram Music Video.
And a collection of watches from Casio featuring the DW5200 G-Shock watch. This 200-meter water-resistant diver's watch is also shock-proof. It's perfect for the great outdoors from Casio.
The Lasonic L30 portable stereo system features dual cassettes, graphic equalizer, and 100 watts of music power from Lasonic.
And a wardrobe from a company that describes itself as Earth, Life, Animal, Power, Gotcha Clothes.
When remote control continues. Welcome back to the only game show taped live in Ken Over's basement, Remote Control.
Thanks, Colin. We're back. Okay, round 2 is here. Round 1 was so much fun. Round 2 is pretty much exactly the same. The only difference is the points are double, but so is the danger. Hear that? That's audio danger, and it's dangerous. Anytime the big zenith goes off the air, the person with the lowest point total is out of here. And right now, Denise, that's you in a big way. In first place is Peter with 40. Doug is in second with 10. Denise, you have control. Choose a channel.
I'll try for Channel 7 again.
Channel 7. MTV. What beer uses the same slogan as the name of this man's backup band? Denise for 10.
Oh, I misunderstood the question, Ken. I'm sorry.
Silver Bullet Band.
Silver Bullet Band, right, Doug? For 10 points.
Yeah.
Coors is the beer, Silver Bullet is the band.
Right,
okay, Doug, you have control.
Station number 5.
Station 5. Once again, celebrity CAT scans. The CAT scans of those that are famous to us. A CAT scan, of course, is a X-ray of the brain, in case those of you at home don't know what I'm talking about. Here's a hint. He was worth $6 million before he... Doug for 10.
His name is Steve Austin.
Nope. He was worth $6 million before he started falling down on the job as a stunt. Peter for 10.
Lee Majors.
Lee Majors. That's what we're looking for the actor's name. You're in the lead. 50 points. Pulling out ahead. Peter, you have control.
Channel 2.
Channel 2. Sing along with Colin. A melodic interlude for 10 points. Sing the next 2 lines to this famous 50s tune.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock.
That was the
Denise for 10 points.
9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. Gonna rock. Around the clock tonight and the clock
10 points.
All right.
All right, that gets you out of the minus category. Denise, you have control.
Okay, I'm going to try channel 7.
Back to MTV
I messed up the first time. I'm going to try this
for
time.
20 points. What's the lead singer's name in this band? Doug for 20 points.
His name is Brian Murray.
Brian Murray, no. Freddie Mercury. Freddie Mercury. Queen is the band. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Denise, you still have control.
Channel 4.
Going to Channel 4. For 10 points, Munster TV. Number one son, Edward Wolfgang Munster, was what kind of monster? Peter for 10.
He was a werewolf?
He was a werewolf, Peter. Very good. You now have 60 points, Peter. You're pulling out in a huge lead. You have control.
Channel 4, stay with Munsters.
Channel 4, stay with the Munster channel for 20 points. Grandpa had a set of wheels that some people would die to have. What was the shape of his deadly drag? Doug for 20.
Shape of the coffin.
Shape of a coffin. His deadly dragster, the Dragula. That's right, Doug. 40 points, you're catching up. You're in second place with 40.
I'll go to station number 9.
Station number 9, the Personal Opinion Network. It's the only network where your opinion counts. Now, for 20 points, what would make a better game show host, or who would make a better game show host than Bert Convy? Peter for 20.
Ronald Reagan?
Ronald Reagan, good, and why?
Because his hair never moves.
His hair never moves, very good. Excellent, Peter, excellent. You have control.
I'll go back to the Munsters on Channel 4.
Okay, for 30 points, if you took a cab to get to the Munsters' house and the cabbie asked you in a foreign accent where to go, what address would... Doug for 30.
It's Mockingbird Lane.
We need the exact address.
It's
Sorry.
at 1313 Mockingbird Lane.
Okay, very good, very good. 30 points.
Yeah!
70 points, you're in second place. Peter still in the lead with 80. Denise still in the rear with 5. Don't sweat it, Denise.
No.
Got a lot of faith in you.
Right.
Doug,
I
you
will
have
have to
control.
go to channel number 3.
Channel 3. Public television. Only 3% of the population actually watch public television. Nobody knows the answer to the question. For 10 points. Name the physical law which simply states that the electrostatic force between 2 points charged in free space are proportional to the product of amount of charge on the bodies divided by the square root of the distance. Doug for 10.
Coulomb's law.
You got it!
I'm sorry.
Nice guess, Ace. You're in control, Doug.
Okay.
You're tied for the lead. I don't believe that.
I'll go for channel number 6, kid.
In just a minute you will, because what time is it? Yeah, we didn't need her anyway. All right. We have a tie now. We have a tie. 80 points. Doug, you're in control.
Okay, so I believe I said channel 6, and I'll go to channel 6.
Channel 6, for 10 points, the Bat Channel. Whenever the commish felt like chatting with Batman, what did he call him on? Peter for 10.
The Bat Phone.
The Bat Phone is right. Peter, you have control. You pull out in the lead with 90 points.
I'll stay at Channel 6.
Stay with the Bat Channel for 20 points. Batman was actually Bruce Wayne, a rich guy with a lot of time on his hands. Who was the only person besides Robin to know Batman's... Doug for 20.
Alfred.
Alfred is right. Puts you in the lead now. It's seesaw. It's a seesaw battle. Doug, you have control.
I'll have to go to channel 8.
Channel 8. The Honeymooners for 10 points. Complete this Ralph Cramden quote. Humana, humana. Peter for 10.
Humana.
Humana, right. 10 points.